we are currently headed to the hardware store. This hardware store is like very old school, it's long standing, it's been around for a long time. And this particular hardware store has just like hardware supplies, and they also have household supplies for canning. And then in the back they have like a big greenhouse section. So today I'm looking for some onion starts so that I can get my onions in the ground, and then just see what other seedlings they have on hand. Not gonna get a whole lot of seedlings because I did start some from seed already. They're still kind of small, so I'm just waiting for them to get a little bit bigger, and then we're gonna get those in the ground. But you guys are gonna be a part of it, you're coming with. So we're about to head over to the hardware store and see if I can pick up some of these onion starts. Made it to the hardware store and I got my onion starts. I got some bok choy and a couple of kale. So I'm gonna have to get these into the ground. They need to be watered. Dang, them birds ate that food up too quick. I'm gonna go ahead and get these seedlings planted. I'm gonna get them watered in. I got the bok choy, some kale, dino kale, and I got some curly kale and some red Russian kale. This is like my favorite kale. So I'm just getting my bed watered in right now, and I'm gonna get these planted up. I'm done with out in the garden. I got everything planted. I had to change my shirt because it started to warm up. The temperature is definitely warming up today, so I had to just get into something more comfortable. But now I have to switch gears and I need to get into the kitchen and get some things prepped because it's a busy day for me. Tatiana also has soccer practice this evening and I would like to take Ava on for a walk. So before we do that, I need to get some things prepped. I'm gonna be keeping it very simple. So I have some sweet potato here and I'm planning to get these on the stove and do a sweet potato mash. I'm just gonna make some roasted veggies on the side and I'll probably make them some chicken. I'm currently not having any meat, but I'll just do my veggies and I'll make some chicken breast on the side for them to have with this as well. So let's go ahead and get started because the day is just getting away from me. I don't know where the time goes, but I have to get all this done in the kitchen so that we can go on our walk, and then I have to pick Tatiana up from school, and then right after school we have to go to her soccer practice. So let's get cooking. roasted. And then we're gonna get working on the mashed sweet potatoes. But these were the white sweet potatoes. But my mash is looking pretty good. So I got my mashed sweet potatoes done. The roasted veggies are about to come out. We're gonna put those in a container and then we headed out on our walk. I'm gonna prep the chicken later so that it's just like fresh for them. But the veggies and everything are done. The prep is done and we are headed out on our walk. Back in from our walk. It is a tad bit hot out there. Look at my hair, sweating a little bit. The walk put Ava to sleep, so I'm letting her rest for a second. I got a handful of nuts I'm eating. So I'm eating my nuts. Gather her soccer stuff so she can be ready. And then it's gonna be time to pick her up. But before I pick her up, I'm gonna make a smoothie. Got some leftover papaya, so I'm gonna make a papaya strawberry smoothie. It is so bomb. But in the meantime, I'm about to gather Tatiana's soccer attire so that I'm not looking for things when she gets home, because we're on a time crunch when she gets here. So let me go ahead and gather those things and then we are gonna be headed to pick her up. To the school to pick up Tatiana. I got my papaya smoothie here. So I'm just gonna enjoy my smoothie. And while I'm here, I'm gonna take this opportunity to read some of my book, because I am here a little bit early. It takes a little bit of time because the car ride line gets crazy. So I'm here, I'm gonna take advantage of this time to just read. Then we gotta get home, get changed, head to soccer. So I will see you when the princess gets in the car. The champ is here.
I'm shy.
You're not shy.
My sister's shy.
We're headed to soccer. How many goals you gonna get today? 5?
Yeah.
5 goals. So I picked up my soccer girl. We are headed to the field now. They have a snack because we don't have time to eat dinner yet. But that sound is annoying. So let me just get to soccer and I will see you guys at the soccer field. Soccer mom, we made it. Let me see you, number 5. The champ is here. The champ is here. We have made it home for soccer. We're gonna go ahead and have dinner, get washed up for bed. So I am gonna go ahead and end this vlog here and say thanks for hanging out with us today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Meet me down in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.